The landscape of work has been redrawn. The rise of generative AI, the growing emphasis on diversity, equity, and inclusion, the shift to remote work, and so much more. These aren't just changes, they're opportunities to redefine our future.
Remember the uncertainty and challenges we all faced during the pandemic? Each challenge we faced has been a lesson in resilience and a testament to our collective strength. Now we gather to share, learn, grow, and script the next chapter together.
This May, from the 22nd to the 24th, we invite you to be part of the Global Workforce Innovation Summit, where you'll find the keys to navigate the new world of work.
The transformation of workforce development into a new paradigm shift isn't just a topic, it's a mission.
A mission to humanize innovation once again, focusing on people, policy, process, and innovation.
The summit isn't just about understanding the changes that have occurred and are still occurring, but it's leading them.
It goes beyond simple conversations. It's about actions. Every session is designed to leave you with workable solutions.
Strategies you can take back to your team, your businesses, your communities.
Promote transformation and inspire growth.
Because at the heart of every innovation, every policy and every process, there will always be the human touch, your touch.
It's more than just discussions, it's about creating meaningful connections. It's about crafting a future that embraces every challenge as an opportunity.
Envision a world where our work, our innovations, our policies are all infused with a greater sense of humanity. This vision starts with you, with me.
The future is not written. It's built by leaders, innovators, and visionaries like you. So join us at the Global Workforce Innovation Summit this May from the 22nd to the 24th at the Canary, Wharf, Hilton in London. Together, we will transform the landscape of work, one idea, one innovation, and one leap forward at a time. See you in London.